This video will not be monetized. Please share it with Khabe Lame. Hello students, and especially to you, Khabe Lame. Khabe, I see you have 121 million followers, and I can also see in this video here that you are eating a chicken and biting into a chicken bone, and I'm not sure that you understand what goes on in this industry. So I simply want to make you aware, and maybe, if possible, millions of your followers, so that we can stop animal exploitation here on TikTok, on YouTube, and everywhere around the world. Eating animals is completely unnecessary. And I know that you're young, you might not really know what goes on. So I'm going to hope that after you see this video that you're going to change. I'm asking you as a bare minimum that you stop showing yourself eating any animals or their products on your channel. Because every time you do that, you help to encourage other people to keep eating them and to keep looking at animals as if they're objects. They're not objects. They are sentient beings. I have a 3-minute video I'd like you to watch. Will you watch it with me? Please just watch it, so at least you know what's going on. It takes 100 clicks until you become vegan. You got to get the message into your head, but also into your heart. So I'm imploring that you ask your audience, type it somewhere or say it, maybe not on your TikTok channel, but just tell them that that vegan teacher told you to watch this and you watched it, and that you also want them to watch so that they know what's going on. Okay? Now, I've seen this many times and it always makes me cry, so bear with me. If I don't look at it, please understand why. Baby boy chicks are killed at just 1 day old because they'll never be able to lay eggs. It's hard to believe that humans do this to them. They're so innocent. Most of us wouldn't be able to put a chick in a blender and press the button, and yet we pay other people to do that. It's horrific, and it needs to stop. Let's watch. Thank you for watching. If you can, please share this video with everyone you know, especially with Khabe Lame, to make sure that he sees it. Coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on them if you like. Subscribe to this channel and help me get the animals out of hell by pressing the notification bell. That way you won't miss anything in the future. And to everyone who's vegan, from the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate it. You're doing so much good for all of the animals, for the environment, and also for yourselves. Thank you. I'll see you all in the next video.